Have you tried making a breast pocket before? If you haven't, then this video is for you. Kindly watch to the end. You really don't need so much for this tutorial. You can use any shirt of your choice. For me, I'm making use of this polo. I will also be making use of this light wadding to make the polo stable. I'll be needing my fabric and my lining. Okay, so this particular pocket is called a patch pocket, even though it's called a breast pocket, but the actual name is patch pocket. I may not also give you the measurement of the pocket because that depends on you. You may decide to do it big or make it small. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is to fold your fabric and your lining together, just as you can see me do, and you will do it on the wrong side, okay, because you don't want your chalk mark to show. Then I will just place my ruler this way. I will be drawing a straight line just as I did, and I'll be drawing that slant line just to give it that sharpness. You know, when you see a normal pocket how it is, some persons can decide to make it straight, but I just wanted this shape. So once I was done doing that, I just cut out. Very easy. But after cutting out, I tried to check it out. It was looking as if it was too big, so I ended up trimming it again to make it smaller, although it didn't change the shape of the pocket. So when I was done retrimming, I went ahead to stitch along the edges, and I left about 2 inches for turning inside out. And that's it, guys. Very easy. So here is how it looks after cutting. I will go ahead to stitch it now and you will see how it looks. So here I was already done turning it inside out. I just gave it a good press so that it flattens out, and now we'll be transferring it onto the shirts. Okay, but before doing that, you are going to attach your light wadding, because I have noticed that if you don't do it that way, over time you're going to have holes around the edges of the pocket. So by attaching this wadding, it's going to make the pocket very stable. And again, I'm working with a stretchy fabric, so it's just good you do it. So by this time I already attached the wadding using my hot iron. That is on the wrong side of my shirt, okay, like the inside. So this is now the external part of the shirt. I had already flipped it inside out. So here I was just pinning the pocket, just as you can see, just to put it in place. Then that part you really need to be careful so that you don't end up pinning the back of the shirt. Do you understand, guys? So you really need to be careful, and this is me stitching. You also have to be careful so you don't end up stitching the back of the shirt. When doing this, make sure your stitch is very neat. I will show you the reverse of this pocket. You see how I followed the line. So here I was already done stitching, so let me show you the other side of the pocket. You see how you see the pockets line, very neat. Okay, so this is how to make your breast pocket or your chest pocket. Very easy. So if you have any shirt that you feel, oh, you need to put a pocket, just follow these steps and you are good to go. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you learned something from this video. Kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe, please do. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Bye.